Welcome back to my Ankara YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to make Ankara top bra, and these are the materials we'll be using: Ankara Fabric, scissors and tape rule. The measurement we'll be using for the top bra we are making will be 10 inches 10 inches by 14 inches. This fabric is on fold. That being said, we are going to measure from here, from this point here, this folded part. This is the opening part. So from this folded part, we're going to measure 7 inches. So put your tape rule on that 7 inches line. Then you're going to measure 7 inches. So make sure your tape rule is straight while you are doing this. 7 inches. And draw the line to join. Okay, so from this point now, we're going to measure 4 inches. Put your tape on that 4 inches line. You're going to measure 4.5 inches. Make sure your tape rule is straight while you're doing this. That's 4.5 inches. Just drawing the line straight down. Okay, so now you want to make an arc here. We're going to make arc here too. I'm going to cut those packings out. Okay, I'm going to also cut this out. Okay, so from here, just going to like a slant. Let's cut that out. Okay, so this will be the front of our top bra. For the back part, cut out the same measurement. This fabric is on fold. 10 inches by 14 inches. I'm just going to place this front part on it. We are going to mark the armhole from here. Then we cut it out. I'm just tracing on the armhole for the front to cut this part off. And you slant this side as well. So for the neck of the top bra, let's mark this. So okay, then you measure it. Put your tape rule and measure it 7. So this is 7 inches. I'm just going to join this line here to this 7 inches. And cut it out. Okay, when that is done, you can open up your fabric, see what it looks like. I'm going to notch this neck a bit. Notch. So when that is done, you go and stitch your top bra. Fold a bit. That's the reason why I notch, so that the stitching will not squeeze together. I'm going to fold. See, just fold like half an inch. Fold half an inch inside, and you're going to stitch from this part to this part. And stitch the neck. I also stitch this other one. So the next thing you want to do is to fold the armpit side. Fold it. You are also going to stitch from this end to this end. Stitch this part. Stitch this one also. Fold it. Stitch, stitch. Don't stitch in the armhole. And this is the front part. So you want to fold your fabric into 2 equal parts. Fold to the wrong side. You're going to measure 3.5. inches. I measure 4 inches. So draw the line up. I'm going to stitch a detail from that 4 inches. I'm going to stitch straight down. Let me mark how you are going to stitch this. So from that 4 inch, you're going to stitch like this. Can you see? Like a triangle. I'm also going to stitch this part. You're going to do the same for the back piece as well. After stitching, this is it. See how it looks. Now you're going to fold this edge, this bottom part. Fold first, then fold another one. So you're going to stitch straight down. And you're going to do the same for the back part. I am done stitching. Also stitch this other part. The next thing you want to do is to join this piece together. So turn it to the right side. I'm also going to turn this to the right side. So right facing right side. Okay. We're going to start joining from this shoulder. Then you join the side. I've stitched the shoulder part on the side. So now it's time to turn inside out. This is the back part and this is the front part. Or you can wear any part as the front or as a back. This measurement does not work for everyone. If you are bigger than I am or you are busting, please increase your measurements. Okay? And we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can notify every time I drop a new video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.